Pink shoes. Pink shoes.
I want to wear those.
This is not. What is this one? Come on, put that in the big place. What's this? Shoes. What is this? Shoes.
Yeah, that's for you.
Wow, so beautiful.
Mom, when I come back home, can you give me ice cream?
Sure, sit down here. I'm gonna do your hair, please.
It's another time. You know how I need it right now. Come on, baby, take me for a ride. All I think about is you, and I wanna know when you come through. I got you, I got you, I got you.
Good morning, everyone. I'm getting at Paris. Oh, careful, anak. Don't drop it. Ready? He is going to Hindi this morning.
Now he has 2 ears.
So this is the last 2 weeks ng kanyang Hindi kasi today, tomorrow, and then next week, Tuesday and Wednesday. And then, tapos na ang kanyang Hindi days. Na.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So they're both ready now. Shoot the Paris. Oh no, we'll put the shoes on. Lini is here. Ayan. We just put on the Paris the shoes and then we will make a move.
Wait, second.
No, may shark. We're outside. As usual, yung ginagawa natin sa umaga. Ayan, pinapaginaw muna yung loob ng sasakyan. Sobrang init. Baby shark, tururututu. Baby shark, tururututu. Hi, Ling. Hello.
Baby shark.
Give it to her, T.
No, I think because she my breakfast. And it's my Christmas gift.
What's in your Christmas list?
I'm getting Vienna toy, Rayan toy, Hatchimals. That's all. That's all I'm having.
Anak, stand up, anak. Dirty man na, baba. So, it's 9 o'clock in the morning, guys. And pagkatapos namin i-drop si Ate Paris sa kanyang school, ay may lakad kami. Hoy! What are you doing? Wala, you crazy girl. Stand up. Stand up. You tired? May lakad kami ni Baby Celine after niyan. Oh, careful, nak. There's car coming. There's car coming. There's lots of things happening around here. Nak na. Lang. Show me what's in your hand.
Who?
Show mama. What's in your hand? Lala, tignan nyo. Alam na alam kapag guilty. Show me what's in your hand lang. Kapag may nahawakan siya, guys, tinatanong ko, tumatakbo. Should be right now, nak? Give it a go lang. Yeah, should be right. Oh, careful. Si Lini, oh. Una. Sige, go. Cut, bay ka day. Dili. Di mama mo. Okay, go up. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, come to Paris. Oh, that's not your seat lang. Your seat is on the other side.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Careful, darling, please. Sige, te. Hala, lilim ko pa. That's Lola Karen's spot.
My relatives are here.
I know eh. Hello?
He's next to me.
Ay, alala, naghanap pa siya ng kanyang seatbelt. Tingnan, have a look. Have a look, she's putting seatbelt on.
You made it. You made it bend. It's completely straight.
Lini girl, are you all strapped? There? Ala, tingnan niyo. Ah, marunong pa talaga siyang mag... Ano, tingnan niyo.
And I got some
natagtang ko yan.
candy. These are very...
My love, this is your seat here. Huh? Huh? Come to mama. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. They're like, what's he saying? Why is the leg crying? It's okay, my love. You do you wanna watch? Where is the
Nine.
Yes.
Okay, put on. Baby shark doo 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 doo. Baby shark doo 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 doo. I put that on.
We'll see whatever comes up. Okay guys, kakadrop lang natin kay Ate Paris sa Kindi. And we are now heading to... Anong pangalan ng lugar na yun? Thornside. So, it's... Well, sabi dito sa mapa nilagay ko na sa navigator. It's 21 minutes drive. So, we'll see kung magkaka-traffic ba and will take longer. But the moment sabi 21 minutes. So, we are going to pick up a suitcase. So, we are now starting to pack for our trip to the Philippines. Very, very exciting. Yung mga lumang suitcase namin, guys, ay sira na. Kasi nung nag-move kami dito from Melbourne, sobrang pinak namin sila. And then, nilabas ni Daddy Mike the other night. Broken, guys. Like, yung wheels ay hindi na umaandar. Yung sa gilid may sira na. So, sabi ko, we'll just get new ones. At kahit hindi siya brand new, sabi ko sa sarili ko, as long as, you know, it's still working, it's fine with me. So, I went to have a look at Marketplace, Facebook. Yan yung ating go-to place kapag may gusto tayong bilhin. And I found these cute suitcase na pink yung kulay niya, guys. Alam niyo man si mami niyo, guys. Parang na-attract talaga ako sa mga kulay na mga ganyan. So, this particular suitcase is brand new with tags and everything. So, it's a large size kasi kaming tatlong si Ate Paris, ako, tsaka si Daddy Mike, meron kaming tig 20 kilos each na check-in. Tapos, you know, 3 luggage na pang check-in lang. So, sa tatlong luggage na yun na ipang check-in namin is kailangan namin ng mga malalaki. So, I think we already have one at home, yung hindi sira. So, kailangan namin bumili ng dalawa pa. So, I got this one. Bibilhin ko na ngayon. And then, maybe pupunta ako ng Kmart for the other one kasi I saw on the website na hindi siya masyadong mahal sa Kmart. But this one, guys, sobrang na-in-love ako. Kaya sabi ko, can I ask for discount? Nag-ask talaga ng discount sa mami niya, guys. Hindi ako nahihiya. Kasi you can only try, diba? Like, she can only say yes or no. Kung no, then it's fine. At pag yes, then it's, you know, it's great. So, originally, itong suitcase na to ay sa website nila, $399. And then sabi ko, I'm not gonna pay for that much para sa isang suitcase. And then, she advertised it for $275. And then I said, is there any way, is there any room for negotiation? Kasi why not, di ba? Buti na lang yung makapag-discount tayo. And then sabi niya, I said, I can pick up today. And then sabi niya, yeah, you can have it for 2:30. Are you okay with that? I said like, yeah, perfect. Okay, I'll come pick it up. Kasi brand new naman siya. So, at yun yung size and gusto ko yun yung kulay. So, yun na yun. And I'll show you. Ginagamit ko na yung ating bag na binili kagabi. Oh, super cute niya, guys. Tapos, I accessorize it with my Louis Vuitton Twilly as well. Ayan, sa kanyang handle. Ayan. Sobrang cute niya, eh. Grabe. Do you agree with me? Lit-lit niya, oh. Busy ang life natin today. There she is. I better make a move now bago mag-mania. Very cute little girl, right? Love you, Lini! I love you so much, anak! Ay, binigyan lang ako ng irap, eh. Hi, can I please get hot eggs meal?
Yep, is that all?
That's all, thank you.
What's the drink?
What are the options?
You can get anything in drink.
Okay, I'll just get hot chocolate, please.
Oh, so what's up?
Just that full cream, thank you.
Yep. You got 7 pesos.
Thanks a lot. Did it work? All good, thank you. So guys, stop muna tayo dito sa McDonald's. Bili muna ako ng hot cake at drinks.
A few moments later.
So apparently, yeah, we've arrived. Pero yung ano nila, papasok ba? Oh. Nag-message ako sa kanya kung okay lang na mag-park sa driveway. Kasi ang ating baby Celine ay sleeping. Tingnan niyo. Sabi niya, go for it. So let's go, let's go. Hey! We just parked outside Kmart, guys. Celine just woke up as well. You don't want it? No! Mama will eat it then. Yummy, yummy in the tummy. I'm talking to Tita Mimi. Say hi, Tita.
Hi, vlog.
Habang nandito kami sa parking. Chika-chika.
Smartest.
Yummy, yummy in the tummy. Awa kay Mac. Kani ang gilingkuran, Mac mo na ang gilingkuran sa iyang lulakarin tong diri. Hala gamay kayo. Dili ba siya tunga-tunga ni Celine og ni Pam.
Luti, kagig na ako siya friendly tiyo yan akong gisiyaan.
Ha?
Hi.
Saan sa di friendly taka ra kada?
Hi, dili ka friendly?
Ayun na pala yung ating binili na suitcase. Kita ko sa inyo mamaya ng mabuti. Ayan. Kainin muna namin to, tapos pupunta na kami ng Kmart para bumili ulit ng luggage. Isa pa. Nakno.
Pila ka lagi higdalon te?
Tulo man namong check-in. Dayon, ang carry-on. Tulo po. We're getting one of these. Ito yung sabi ng mama ni Daddy Mike. Pang safety sa bagahe. Okay, the orange one. Hindi ko mapakita ng mabuti kasi tignan nyo. I'm holding this little one. Bilisan ako ng kandado. Kaya lang, sobrang laki naman ito eh. Hindi mo kasya sa ating ano. So, what else do we need, my love? We'll have a look around and see kung anong available. We'll see if we need anything. So, nakabili na kami ng mga ano kaya no, para sa regalo for Christmas. Mga bags para sa aming exchange gift. We'll see what's in here.
The shape you find and I found those.
Ah, okay.
The shape.
Where is the cube?
Hmm?
Where is the cube? Cube. Where is it? No. That one. Yes, that's a cube.
We also have something else.
So, we're here na guys to pick up Ate Paris. And, ayan, dami pang mga chichiburitsi na Ate Paris. Eh? And this one loves it here. She loves playing with the toys. Don't you, my love? Hmm? So maybe sometime next year, maybe Mama can go back to work and and you can come here. Lang lang.
I know I gave this.
Do you want to go childcare, play?
No, I know I gave this. I gave this.
Oh, that's cute. What's inside?
It's an invitation
Invitation. Oh, yeah, to Paris.
because we're going to her birthday.
5th birthday party. 23. Da, da, da. Oh, 24th of January. Oh, lucky. We'll be back by then.
Now when is it gonna?
Don't forget your swimsuit. Oh, I think we're going to a pool again.
What?
See? Because don't forget your swimsuit.
Ah!
Wow.
I also have something else.
Sabi, invitation nila guys na sobrang advanced talaga dito kasi alam nila na sobrang busy yung mga tao. So, ito siya, birthday niya, not until the 24th of January. But, yeah, invitation is, you know, and it's only, what date today, na? 20th, I think.
I also have this.
Oh, did you make this yourself? Oh, Paris.
Something on the back.
Oh, that's very creative, my love. So nice, very colorful. This one.
Here we go.
Okay. Shall we go now?
Yep. Where's
Okay.
my car?
Lean? Lean? We're going now, okay?
Mine.
Do you want to hold the invitation?
Mine.
Yes, sweetheart. Na hold. Gilabay. You know what? Kapag sisilin ba, kapag tinatapon niya yung mga bagay-bagay, nagtitinginan na lang kami natin Paris.
Christmas says 6 weeks into Christmas.
No, actually, I think it's 20th today, so
5
only
weeks.
5, yeah.
But Christmas said it's 6. He's silly.
Yeah, he is silly. Maybe he's trying to trick you. Yeah, what do you reckon?
I don't think he never tricked me, but I think he definitely is tricking me.
This time? Yeah.
Let me show you something.
Okay.
I made a painting.
Which one did you make? Aw, that's cute.
It's dry now.
Did you make that today?
I can keep it.
That's beautiful.
It's dry now, so I can bring it home.
Oh, maybe they have to keep it here lang.
No, you can bring it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Maybe we can bring it tomorrow. We'll make
Oh,
sure
yeah,
it's still a bit wet. Okay, come on, let's go.
Right
Before
there.
Celine eats the macaroni.
Mine's not dry.
We're at the bakery now. Favorite bakery namin. Tingnan nyo guys.
You got the pink
They're very
Let's say pick up the
lucky,
pink
huh?
one, so
Yeah.
I got the brown.
Every time na pupunta kami dito, meron silang libre. Ayan, yung macaroni. Ito, tagsa sila. Because I always get the shopware from here. Ayan. And then a banana cake. Then, oh, ayan, oh, libre. Ay, sana all.
Now after this, can I have this with donut?
Yeah, ito. Sabi niya, very cute daw ang mga, mga kids.
Oh, that's a fun
She
thing.
loves giving them
The clown
food
thing.
for free. Oh, Hudson Circus. Oh. Whereabouts that now?
What? What?
North Lakes and Springfield. Do you wanna watch a circus?
Yeah.
Ling ling, baby shark, do 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 do, baby
Mom,
shark,
I
do 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 do
got
do.
to have a 10. Whoa.
Huh?
Whoopsie. I'll get my thing because I dropped it.
And guys, luto tayo ng dinner. It's nearly 7 o'clock ng gabi. Si Daddy Mike natin ay hindi pa nakauwi kasi kaninang lunch break, lunch time, pumunta siya ng doktor kasi specialist kasi yung doktor na pinuntahan niya last time, nirefer siya into some specialist. So, kinailangan niyang pumunta. So, it means na kailangan niyang mag-work overtime today para i-cover yung time. So, nagluto na lang si mami niyo para pagka-uwi ni Daddy Mike ay makain na rin. The kids are just watching TV. Naisip ko na kahit anong naiwan sa fridge, yun yung gamitin natin or sa pantry kasi soon ay babiyahin na tayo ng Pinas, diba? So, gamitin natin kung ano yung pwedeng maluto dito para hindi siya masayang. Kasi ma-expire na to. Ginamit ko to. Ito na lang ang ginamit ko. Ang tawag ito, pene. Medyo napikit na. And, ting-ting-ting-ting! So, we've got the Filipino style spaghetti sauce. And, sarap-sarap nito. I know this is not Daddy Mike's thing, right? Kasi, yung spaghetti nila dito sa Australia is, you know, like Italian. Like similar. Pero, ang ating Filipino sauce is sweet, diba? Kita ang bel-bel natin yan. Hindi ang bel-bel. Bigyan pa natin ba ng tubig? So, ganito sa amin guys, so, sa probinsya ba? Kasi, sayang man, di ba? Pero kung mga naiiwan na kunti sa loob ng plastic, nilagyan ng tubig, sabi masayang. Ano? Kago, kago, kago! Kago, kago, kago! Sige ko right na. Ayan. Sarap-sarap nito. Ayan, ating. Ay, ito na. Naglagay din ako dito ng ano? Tawag dito? Yan. Oh! Ay! Aso pa more. Garlic bread. Ayan, luto na yan. So, ayan na ang ating pasta. Tapos yan yung sauce. And yeah, that's what we're gonna have for dinner. Very easy, guys. At least, gamit na namin kung ano yung naiwan sa pantry. Para hindi sayang. Ayan. So just grind it. Smells so good, right? Ito talaga yung binili ko, yung Filipino style. Sweet, meaty, and cheesy. Malaki na talaga ang ating antivirus, guys. Siya na yung answers, The door. He opens the door. Who's it? Daddy? Ala, bulihitan mo na ko eh. Mangga. Yan, pinakain ko na si Baby Celine. Alam nyo, kung wala si Baby Celine dito sa kanyang upuan, anak ko, very excited na siya makita ang kanyang daddy. But she's eating now. Like a big cow.
Hi, little girl. Say hello. Hey, buddy.
I love you.
You wonder what there's Celine. She's okay.
Oh, that's alright.
Ito na ang ating final look. Tastes good.
Last time just told them.
Looks very good.
Yes.
I'm not sure something.
Daddy loves that dress.
Hmm?
Daddy's favourite?
Because you bought it for Paris.
I'm saying, is that Daddy's favourite? Is that by her, Celine?
Mm-mm. Yung suot ni Celine ngayon, damit ni Paris. Daddy bought it from, was that Zara, Bob, or H&M?
How do you open this?
I think that one's H&M.
How do you open?
You have to twist it lang.
Which one? I open.
Like that.
Yeah, I gotta go. I gotta go to the doctor. Well, I gotta go to pathology maybe tomorrow. When's your appointment?
Me?
For your lashes?
Oh,
Thursday.
no.
Again.
What happened? Did you hurt yourself?
I scratched it.
Okay, come up here. Stop doing it now.
No, I want to do.
Oh no, stop it, Paris, because it's, you end up breaking your bones. So, lay down here with Lini. See? Lini. Good night, Ling Ling. Good night.
Good night.
Jesus, kay buyag. Uy, ginoo ko.
Oh no!
Biya po.
Tico, 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 tico.